This is going to change filmmaking forever. What you are looking at is the new Google Veo 3. It has just been released and it looks incredible. Now before I continue, I need some feedback from you guys. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe because I will be giving updates on this camera as well as other tech news. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe so you can see it first. But let's get right into it. So for those who don't know, Google launched the original Veo back in 2019. The idea was simple. It would allow small creators or independent filmmakers to get footage similar to what big studios would use. And it did a pretty good job. But now, 3 years later, Google has released the Veo 3 with some mind-blowing upgrades. First things first, the price. The original Veo was around $2,000. However, the new Veo 3 is only $1,800. That is a huge upgrade for the price. Now let's talk about the specs. The sensor size has increased from Super 35 to full frame. This is a massive upgrade. Having a full frame sensor means you can capture more light and have much better low light performance. It also allows for a shallower depth of field, which means you can blur out the background and really make your subject stand out. This is something that you would typically only see in high-end DSLR cameras or dedicated cinema cameras. But now, you can get this in a run-and-gun style package. It doesn't stop there though. The new Veo is capable of shooting up to 8,000 resolution. That is 4 times the resolution of 4K. Now, you may not think that you need 8K, but trust me, when you have it, you won't want to go back to anything lower. It also shoots in a log image profile, which gives you a lot more flexibility when it comes to color grading. The camera also has a built-in ND filter, which allows you to shoot at a wider aperture and also get natural motion blur in your footage. This is perfect for those who want to mimic the style of a traditional Hollywood movie. But the best part about all of this is that it's all built into a small compact body that can easily be mounted onto a gimbal. This is where the real power of the Veo lies. You can easily capture smooth and steady footage without the need for a crew. This makes it perfect for small creators or independent filmmakers who want to capture high-quality footage without breaking the bank or having to hire a big crew. Now let's talk about the actual filmmaking process. Shooting with the Veo is incredibly easy. The menu is very user-friendly and the camera is very responsive. It also has a built-in viewfinder which makes it easy to compose shots. The autofocus is fast and accurate and the image stabilization is top-notch. I was able to get some really smooth shots even when I was walking. Overall, the camera is very easy to use and it's perfect for both beginners and experienced filmmakers alike. Now I know what you're thinking. All these great features must come with a catch, right? Well, there is one thing that you need to be aware of. Since this camera is capable of shooting in 8K, you will need plenty of storage space. The camera itself comes with 128 GB of internal storage, which should be enough for most people. But if you plan on shooting a lot of footage, I would recommend getting an external SSD all in all. The Google Veo 3 is a game changer for small creators and independent filmmakers. It's affordable, easy to use and capable of shooting stunning 8K footage. If you're serious about filmmaking, then this is definitely something that you should check out. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe for more updates.